Life is like a roundabout with no clear signs, stuck in the middle of these crowded lines. No red lights, but nobody is moving at all. Just watching the world while I'm feeling so small. Windows down, the engine is getting so hot. Stuck in the very same place, in the very same spot. 5 different roads, so many ways to go, but the lane is too narrow and the progress is slow. Everyone is passing by, taking their turn. When is it my time? When will I ever learn? Why is it always so complicated? Waiting for a green that was never created. Spinning in a circle trying to break through. When will you open up your heart for something new? The endless loop of mind, running out of time. Stuck in the traffic of HA-YAEK, CHALONG. Just like my love, I invested so deep, building an underpass for a promise to keep. Cutting through the madness from my heart to yours, trying to escape all these heavy detours, but you never expand, you never give me space. I'm just another driver stuck in this place. I try to push hard, try to make a quick move, stepping on the gas, trying to find my groove. Didn't check the right side, wanted to be brave, but a flash of a uniform brought me to a stop. Got a little ticket from a local cop. Out of luck, out of lane, pocket getting light. No light to guide me, just a circle of doubt. Tell me, how the hell do I get myself out? I built the tunnel, I paid the price, but I'm still trapped in your paradise. Why is it